Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be sharing this eye makeup look. So if you are interested to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. And if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. I'm starting with prepping my eyelids with Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02, and to apply the concealer I'm using Pro Art PF01 brush. I'm cleaning underneath my eyebrows first and apply the concealer on my entire eyelid area, and to blend the concealer I'm using a damp beauty sponge. Then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder to set the concealer in place so it becomes easy to blend the eyeshadows that we are going to apply next. For eyeshadow palette, I'm using Nicka 9 color eyeshadow palette in Autumn Spice. I'm using a bigger blending brush from the London Pride Cosmetics and dipping that into this rust eyeshadow to warm up my crease. I'm swiping the brush back and forth and blending the color as my transition shade. Next, I'm using a small blending brush and taking this dark brown eyeshadow and start first placing it into my crease, and once I place the color I will be blending it with the same brush. I'm also going to apply this eyeshadow on the outer V area. Again, I'm taking the bigger blending brush and blending the two eyeshadows together so they look nice and blended. Next, I'm taking the yellow mustard eyeshadow with a flat shader brush and apply it on the remaining eyelid area. Next, I am dipping into this gold eyeshadow and start applying it only in the center of my eyelid, and to get the maximum pigment I am also going to use my fingertip. Coming to the lower lash line, I'm using this dark brown eyeshadow and run it through my lower lash line using Pro Art PE29 brush. Next, to highlight, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals, and I'm going to apply it on my brow bone and in the inner corner of my eyes. For eyeliner, I am using Sugar I Told You So liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner has a nice felt tip which makes it easy to apply and create a nice wing eyeliner. Then for Kajal, I am using Bella Voaste Velvet Black Kajal and I am going to apply it on the lower waterline. Next, I am curling my lashes, and for mascara, I will be using Essence Lash Princess mascara on my upper as well as lower lashes. And for falsies, I have used Europe Girl eyelashes. And here is the complete look, you guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.